Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Rocket Money app. So let's get started. So here I will just go to the Google, the search bar, and I will directly search for the Rocket Money app. From here, I will just open it. Okay. So at here you have to allow some permission. So to use it, it is very easy to use. You will just open, then allow it, then click on next. Just click on phone number setup and you can use it. So by this way you can do it, and it's very easy to use your Rocket Money app, and I suggest you, it gives the cashback and as well as it is very useful app. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. And if you have any question in your mind, you can let me know in my comment section. Thank you for watching.